Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files in Windows 10 using the run command. Let's get started. The first step is to open the run dialog box. To do this, press the Windows key +R on your keyboard. This will bring up the run window, where we'll enter the commands to delete the temp files. In the run dialog box, type temp, T-E-M-P, and then click OK or press enter. This will open the temp folder where Windows stores temporary files. Select all the files in this folder by pressing Ctrl+A, and then hit delete on your keyboard. Confirm the deletion if prompted. Next, we'll delete more temp files from a different folder. Open the run dialog box again by pressing Windows key +R. This time, type %temp% with the percentage signs, and click OK. Just like before, select all the files in this folder and delete them. For the final step, open the run dialog box one more time by pressing Windows key +R. Now, type prefetch, prefetch, and click OK. You may be asked to continue as an administrator, just click continue. Once the folder opens, select all the files and delete them. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all the temporary files in Windows 10 using the run command. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.